was touched by the American Civil War like Fourier was. This shows an internationalism of vision. This shows a wideness of vision which goes beyond your own oppression. You have Eknath, Jnaneshwar, Namdev, Tukaram, even before you had Puri and Ambedkar. And now today in Maharashtra, you have privatization, capacious privatization of education, where the SC, STs and minorities are completely denied and are being denied everything. Where has the failure come from? Is there some failure within us as well? Are we not articulating a demand for education, primary education in our villages? Have we lost sight of issues of social reform in our politics? No assembly election is fought on education. No assembly election is fought on health. No assembly election is fought on supply and expenditure. And how can somehow we think about that and make it happen? I just thought I'd share some of these thoughts with you. Thank you very, very much for giving me